It is March 19th, the day before the Hillel exhibit formally opens to the public. Here's a quick preview of a couple of wall sections here. Giorgio Bassani and three scenes of Ferrara, Italy on the left here. Warsaw Ghetto drawing, Infirm Boy with a middle-aged woman in pedicab. It's from 1992. We have new Handel Weihnachten chicken McNuggets. Had Joop Westerveel lived long enough to have gone on holiday after the war, he might have enjoyed chicken McNuggets in Vienna. This piece depicts this Dutch teacher, a Christian and righteous Gentile, who helped save about 200 Jews. And there's a lot to talk about, which I'm going to wait till I have audiences here in terms of all the background imagery in the drawing. He was executed by the Nazis. This piece was framed as a gift from Hillel. It depicts Erwin Schulhoff, a German-speaking Czech Jewish composer of note who was murdered in a labor camp in Germany. The drawing from 2004, beautifully framed. And here is everyone's Zadie, portrait of Dudya Feig. Zadie is Yiddish for grandfather, and it depicts Elie Wiesel's beloved maternal grandfather. This is an ink drawing from, I forget what year this is. Sometimes I have to look really hard to find where I signed and dated it. There's the photograph of Dudya Feig there that the drawing was done from Wiesel's first volume of his autobiography called All Rivers Run to the Sea. And lastly, a quick preview here of the Mira Steiner mosaic drawing, based on a photograph loaned to me by Ithaca College math instructor Danny Novak, who grew up in Haifa. His parents were Croatian Jewish Holocaust survivors. And this depicts his Aunt Mira, who was murdered around 1941 or 42. Danny himself was born around the same time as me, 1949. I was born in 50. There you have it.